Welcome to my channel Smart Upgrades. Today we are reviewing the Euhomy Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description. Let us accept a dark truth about humanity. We have successfully split the atom, mapped the human genome, and sent rovers to Mars. Yet we still find filling a plastic tray with tap water and placing it in a freezer to be a monumental, soul-crushing chore. We are a species that demands our water not only be frozen instantly, but also perfectly shaped for optimal chewing. Because I refuse to engage with the medieval concept of waiting hours for a cold beverage, I've been testing the Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker for the past few weeks. In my experience, relying on your refrigerator's built-in ice machine is a gamble that usually ends in despair, assuming it even works at all. What stood out to me immediately about this dedicated machine is that it produces highly coveted, restaurant-quality sonic ice. That soft, crunchy, incredibly chewable pellet ice, right on your countertop. You just add water, and it starts churning out fresh ice in exactly 6 minutes. It completely eliminates the need to drive to a fast food drive-thru just to buy a bag of the good ice. It can produce up to 34 pounds of ice a day, which is frankly a ridiculous amount of frozen water, ensuring you are fully prepared for any gathering or an intense weekend of completely avoiding the outdoors. Here's where this product surprised me: the auto-cleaning function and the removable top cover. Most portable ice makers are notoriously impossible to clean, slowly turning into damp, inaccessible science experiments. The Euhomy allows you to completely remove the top cover to actually scrub the internal tank, and it features a 15-minute self-cleaning cycle. You literally press a button and the machine bathes itself. Combine that with the sturdy carrying handle, and you have a highly portable device you can easily move from your kitchen to an RV or a backyard patio. It is a massive convenience factor. Comparing this to its typical competitors, like the incredibly expensive premium appliance brands, the Euhomy delivers that exact same premium crunchy ice experience for a fraction of the cost. A potential drawback to mention is that, like all dedicated ice makers, it does make some humming compressor noise while running. Also, since the ice bin itself is not a refrigerated freezer, the ice will slowly melt back into the reservoir to be remade if you do not use it or transfer it to your actual freezer. But honestly, if you are an iced coffee enthusiast, a chronically dehydrated professional, or just a deeply impatient person who demands instant premium crunchable ice on demand, this is a phenomenal upgrade. It brings exceptional convenience, huge time savings, and extreme satisfaction to your daily routine. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description.